Welcome to this presentation on a robust approach for pulmonary disease diagnosis with multifractal features of lung sounds utilizing machine learning models. This research was conducted by B. Sangeeta et al. And published in 27 March 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Existing lung sound analysis methods often rely on features that struggle with the inherent non-stationary and complex dynamics of physiological signals, limiting diagnostic accuracy. This study introduces multifractal detrended fluctuation analysis or MFDFA to extract robust features from single-channel lung sounds. The precise theoretical contribution is the application of MFDFA to directly characterize the multi-scale dynamics of lung sounds for multi-class disease classification, relaxing the assumption that traditional frequency or time domain features are sufficient. This approach aims to provide an adaptive, data-driven measure of scaling behavior, overcoming limitations of prior techniques like spectrograms or Cepstral coefficients. The methodology begins with pre-processing lung sound signals from a combined dataset of 234 patients and 1390 recordings. Variational mode decomposition, or VMD, is applied for denoising, specifically selecting modes 2 and 3 to reconstruct the signal within the 150 to 2000 Hz frequency range, while rejecting low-frequency heart sounds and high-frequency noise. Subsequently, multifractal detrended fluctuation analysis, or MFDFA, is performed to extract 7 distinct multifractal features, including the Hurst exponent and multifractal spectral width. These 7 features are then used as input to 6 different machine learning classifiers for pulmonary disease discrimination. On the combined TMCH and ICBIG Aventine dataset, the quadratic discriminant analysis classifier achieved a 99.64% accuracy with a 96.33% F1 score, 96.18% precision, and 99.54% sensitivity. This performance significantly surpasses other evaluated machine learning models. Crucially, the variational mode decomposition denoising step, as shown in Table 11, improved the QDA classifier's accuracy from 85.51% to 99.64%, representing a 14.13 percentage point increase. Furthermore, the random forest model achieved 99.04% accuracy on the external multimedia respiratory database for classifying COPD severity levels. The proposed MFDFA-based approach demonstrates superior performance compared to prior methods, such as the QDA using time, Cepstral, spectral, and texture features by Naqvi and Chaudhary 36, which achieved 99.7% accuracy for 3 classes, and the artificial neural network using Cepstral-based statistical features by Sengupta et al. 13, which reached 97.73% accuracy for 3 classes. MFDFA's adaptive nature effectively addresses the time-frequency trade-off of spectrograms and the noise sensitivity of local binary patterns. However, the study identifies limitations, including data imbalance, the absence of a statistical significance analysis for extracted features per class, and challenges in distinguishing lung sounds with overlapping frequencies, such as wheezes and rhonchi. This work establishes multifractal detrended fluctuation analysis as a robust and efficient method for multi-class pulmonary disease diagnosis from lung sounds. The high performance, particularly the 99.64% accuracy with the quadratic discriminant analysis classifier, validates the efficacy of multifractal features in discriminating complex physiological signals. This non-invasive and cost-effective solution holds significant promise as a supportive tool for pulmonologists. Future work will focus on addressing data imbalance, performing statistical significance analysis, and integrating advanced feature selection and data augmentation techniques to further refine the model.